Hello, my name is Ginevra Cadello and this is my monologue for the AIESEC internship application as an English teacher in Sterling Tarmac, Russia. I live in Siena, in Italy, and I am an almost 27 years old student in textual competencies for teaching a master's degree course at the University for Foreigners of Siena. My native language is Italian. My English competencies are C2 level according to the European framework of languages. I have a bachelor degree in linguistic and intercultural mediation at the University for Foreigners of Siena, and I have previously achieved the first certificate of English from the Cambridge Institute in 2015. It was a C1 level certification. During the last years, in my spare time, I have frequently been helping in my family deal company of translation and interpreting. My teaching experiences are various. First of all, I have been studying at a psychopedagogical high school. In my university years, I have often been doing little jobs consisting in helping children and kids with their English homework and study. From this year, I have been working for some months into different primary schools where being able to teach almost every subject was required. In particular, for English, I had to assist English teachers with children with special educational needs 5 hours a week and often replace them. From this experience, I realized how much I like to teach and that empathizing with children and kids often comes easily to me. I think this is a predominant skill to build a pleasing learning environment, to make them get along with each other and help them in their educational and personal growth. And as a consequence of it, to build a pleasant working environment for teachers too. I'm still applying for this position, so it is not to be excluded that I might be having achieved more experience on this field by the end of the school year. Now I am currently studying to become an English teacher, English and even Italian, geography and history teacher for middle and high school students. I am interested in traveling and exploring as many different cultures and environments as I can. To travel is one of my main passions. And Russian culture in particular is one of those who fascinate me the most, especially after having studied about it at the university, in particular in my contemporary history and geography exams, and after having read novels from authors like Tolstoy, Bulgakov, Dostoevsky. Added to that, as I have already mentioned, teaching is my dream job, and since I had a very hard time at school, I think it is important for the teachers of tomorrow to get out of their comfort zone and start experiencing different school systems than the Italian one in order to contribute to make it better. Italian school system is not terrible, but as every school system and every organization in the world, it might be improved by the knowledge and the cooperation with other school systems. So that's all. This was my applying video. I would really be thrilled to be chosen for this opportunity, so let me know. Goodbye.